my channel. It's your girl Slay LT, and as promised, this is part 2 of my second Shein haul. The first one, if you have not already, go ahead and check the first video out. I am going to post the first video link in the comment box below. If you have not already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I shouldn't say like, but if you guys do like this video, go ahead and comment on it and like the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Throw on the notification bell so you are aware when I do post new videos. And I am filming this from my glam room. I'm going to give you guys a tour of the glam room one of these days, but right now I'm just going to get into this video and go ahead and pull these pieces out of the bag. If you saw the first video already, you know that usually what I do when I do my hauls is I will pull the items out of the bag and somehow give you a little show of what they look like. But the second video is basically me pulling them out the bag and laying them across my body so you can kind of see the design itself. And before I get started, I just want to show you guys, and I am on a weight loss journey, so this isn't your girl normal weight. I put on some pounds during the quarantine and pandemic. So, but anyway, this was one of the pants I spoke about in the last video. If you can see, remember I was telling you guys about my butt that I'm trying to get rid of. Anyway, one thing I don't like about it is I didn't know that it was kind of see-through. It is see-through, and it was supposed to be one of the tops that gathered. So for this one on Shein, I'm gonna have to give you guys probably, I don't know, I'll give you guys a 7 on this, and only because one is see-through, two, it's not really gathering at the waist. As you can see, my stomach looks like a, I don't know, got a lot going on in the front. But this material is just the regular material of the pants itself. So it's not really doing much of a support up at the top. I'm going to wear it anyway. I haven't worked out in this one yet. I was supposed to on yesterday, but I just decided to just keep on what I had on. And because it's not really protecting anything up here, when I do work out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my regular waistband that I have over this. So hopefully that'll give me that extra support and extra sweat in my midsection. So let's go ahead and get into this video. I did show the pieces on the previous video when I pulled them out the bag. So again, if you have not seen that video, go ahead and click on the comment box below and click on the video link, and that'll take you to that video. So let me go ahead and get this started. Now this first one that I have, and again it does come in a Shein bag as I explained in the other video. This one is just a regular plain tee, and I don't know why. I actually realized last night that I bought this in a 2X. I don't know why I did that, but it's cool because I can gather it up here, wear it with some nice jeans, and you know, it's not too bad. It's an oversized shirt for me. So, and even if I decide to wear this at the gym, I can use this for a gym shirt. The material isn't, you know, it is what it is. And again, I'm going to explain the material in my third video. So I'll go through each of the items that I've already posted and kind of give you guys a breakdown of how it feels on my skin, how cute it was when I wore it, and all that good stuff, if it's cute when I wore it. So that's the first piece, and it says brains, beauty, and booty. That definitely describes your girl. Okay. Okay, let's get the second one. Let's put this up here. The second item, this one is an extra large. And again, I can wear this one now. I can also wear this. And if you haven't already seen any of my other videos, go ahead and check those videos out. It's going to give you a breakdown of how I buy my clothes. I do have gold clothing items that I purchase. Those are basically clothes that I want to get into. And it gives me a little motivation to lose weight. So every week I know that I can reach this goal or that goal, and you know, have fun while doing it. Just a good mom with a hood playlist. I thought this was super cute. It's showing up as a gray on my camera for some reason, but it's actually an olive color. I don't know why it looks gray. It looks like a dark gray. It's weird. The third piece I have is actually the fourth piece, because I did show you guys the pants that I have on. The fourth piece. Now this shirt is cute, but it actually looks different than what I thought it would look. Well, actually the feel of it is different. And this is actually a 1X large. And you know what's so funny? I have already lost 18 pounds. So I might need to consider on my next ones ordering just the large. Because one thing I learned about Shein, they're almost true to size. So if you order a 1XL, you're going to get a 1XL, especially in the shirt. So I'm learning that more and more as I do these hauls, that their clothing is definitely, at least the shirts, true to size. So, and this fifth piece I have, this fifth piece is a bodysuit. Again, true to size. This is a 1XL, and as you can see, it is a little big. I don't have big boobs, so that's where it's gonna lose me at, in the boobie area. So I don't know. I'm gonna try it on and see how it fits, but can't go wrong with a bodysuit. Okay. Now this was the one that actually came in a different packaging. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to cut this right quick, because this didn't come in a Shein bag. For some reason, this one came the day before the rest of them did, which was weird. I never had a delivery from Shein like that. So I'm thinking it may have been from a different vendor. I don't know. I'll have to investigate that a little more. But it says, I've got a good heart, but this mouth. And this is definitely me. And I thought this was a super cute color. It's the Bordeaux, or wine. I guess more people can consider that wine than Bordeaux. It's more of a Bordeaux color to me, though. This one was actually super cute. This is one of the shirts that I talked about on yesterday. It's more of a casual type look. And look at that. That is so gorgeous. I have some cute shoes that will really, really look good with this. That's super cute. Look at this gold foiling on it. It's so pretty. And the feel of this is so, look at this. This rouging on the sleeve. When I try it on and you guys actually see the pictures of this, you'll see how cute it is as an outfit as a whole, rather than me just showing it out of the bag. But even though I'm going through these relatively quickly, what I'm going to do is at the end of this video, you see I'm going to post the pieces, like the pictures of the pieces on the models from Shein, so you can kind of get a better understanding. In the third video, what I'll do is I'll come back and I'll give a breakdown of my feelings and my thoughts from ordering from Shein. It is my second haul, so I haven't had any bad experience. Well, let me rewind. I haven't had any real bad experiences with Shein as of yet, but I'll explain that in the third video. This is actually a cute bodysuit that I saw I had to have. It has that, I call it the Chinese food box. You know, the box you get from the Chinese restaurant, the Thank You Enjoy. This would be super cute with some jeans that I have. And I had to put it next to, I was like, okay, girl, that's going to be cute. I think that'd be super cute. And let's see what else we have. I saw this shirt and I was like, I absolutely have to have this shirt. I thought it was super cute as well. This shirt is one of those shirts that you can wear. One thing I did see about this shirt, one thing about the shirt that I did see, I don't know why I'm talking out backwards, but it didn't have a tag on it, so I'm not sure. This might be one of those bad reviews I give Shein. I'm not sure which way it's supposed to be worn, which is weird. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But one thing I did like about it was the buttons on the sleeve. This shirt right here is one that you can wear like half off shoulder. So I thought that would be super cute with some jeans as well. We're going to have to work with that because I have no idea which way that it's supposed to show be worn. That's super weird, but we'll figure it out. This is another shirt in honor of the late DMX. Y'all gonna make me lose my mind up in here. Rest in peace, DMX. This is super cute. I thought that was definitely a must-have. You know, throwing some jeans with that as well. It's summertime, so keep it very light and right. And this is the last but not least item. This was the reason why I actually went to this second haul. I was only going to order a few pieces, but when I saw these, I was like, you know what? I cannot, absolutely cannot just order one piece from Shein and not have like a full-blown haul with it. So I thought these were so gorgeous. Look at this. This is so cute. It's like some I guess we call these sports pants. I don't know what we call these. Joggers, that's what they're called. And it has the ruche at the bottom. I think these are going to be super cute. I can actually wear this with just a tank top. That would be cute. And either some slides or sandals. These will also go good with some heels. Might even go good with some tennis shoes, some white tennis shoes. So that's basically it from this haul. I do have another haul that's coming up soon. But what I'm going to do, in the meantime, I'm going to post some more videos that I have of like my shoes and things like that. But I'm going to do, I was thinking about an Ashley Stewart haul. But one thing about Ashley Stewart's clothing, I am plus size, but because my top is so small and my bottom is so big, as you can see, it's so hard for me to find items from Ashley Stewart that actually fits my body like I want it to fit. So I have bought some pieces from Ashley Stewart as well, but everything that I bought from them, with the exception of one dress, has like a weird fit to it. So I guess I have to figure out how to order from them, because most of their pieces, it comes with a set. So say for instance, my top might be, even though my arms are huge, which I'm trying to get rid of as well, my top is like a 14 and my bottom is like a 18 to whatever size. I'm not trying to buy any more big clothes. So that's basically where I'm at with that. With Shein, these pieces are really cheap. You're getting a good deal. Like this pants, I believe the regular price on this pants was $19, I believe. With my discount, you know what? Let me check, because I don't want to give you guys the wrong information. And it's not even on here. I knew it wasn't going to be on there. Why did I think it was going to be on there? Nope, it's not on there. But I'm going to go through the pricing that I paid for it. I definitely have it on my laptop. But I know I didn't spend $20 for these. I think they were 14, or it might have been 12. So whatever it was, I didn't pay full price for it. Shein is really a good site if you want to build your wardrobe. You want different pieces that you probably wouldn't normally wear. Because I like to pair a lot of funky pieces together. Like, I'm the type of person that would throw this type of print with like maybe like a blazer, a blue blazer, or something different that no one else would ever probably wear. And then when I wear it, you know, I get the compliments, oh, those are so cute, how did you pair that together? So I just like to kind of play with clothing and see what pieces I can pair together. So I'm going to do some outfit of the days, do some little fashion shows for you guys, just to show you how I piece things together. I do have to go through my clothing here. I actually have another rack that I have to put up right here because this one is already full. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a smaller rack right here in the front. I actually have another rack. I just need to set it up. and have like my shirts and maybe like skirts on that one so that it falls probably right about here. Or I might just put it in front here. I'm not sure yet, but working on that. But anyway, again, if you guys have not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Put on your notifications. I thank you guys for the support that I've gotten so far. Hopefully, these videos aren't long and boring. I do have another channel that I'm working on as well. It's a Let's Talk with LT channel. Also, I have a gossip channel. I've been doing blogs. I've been blogging for years now. I kind of stopped for a few years because I had some other projects that I was working on, but hopefully I can get back into the swing of that. But for right now, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. If you have not already, go ahead and follow my weight loss journey as well. Go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, thumbs up this video. And thank you guys again for watching. Have a good day. And always remember to be awesome and do awesome things. Talk to you later. Bye.